Hi Gateway Griffins! Hope everyone is doing some learning and trying new things at home. Hey Raccoon, have you ever heard about paper engineering?
Yeah, I have actually. I know someone who's a paper scientist and a paper engineer.
Oh great! What do they do?
Paper engineering focuses on the transformation of trees and wood or any other biomass material into useful writing, packaging, or other products. Paper engineers can also manage or improve recycling of paper to deal with the large waste generated by paper products. Sometimes they do research to develop new products such as edible paper.
Whoa! Wow, thank you Raccoon. I have a challenge for all of you watching this video right now, including you Raccoonie. How many products can you think of or can see around your room that is made of paper? Quite a bit, isn't it? Actually, Raccoonie, today we are going to talk about a different type of paper engineering. The paper engineers that create pop-up book. Taking something very simple and basic like a flat piece of paper and turn it into an amazing 3D art. Do you see this? Now, do you know that every design goes through the different steps of engineering design process? Now, the paper engineer have a basic theme or an idea when they start. Like, do I want to make a dinosaur or Harry Potter? They set their own criteria, what effect the pop-out must accomplish whenever it is open. They imagine how it will look like when the reader opened the book. They plan out which piece they want moving, how are the pieces going to move, how is it going to trigger another piece to move along. They get to work creating a prototype with lots of cutting and tapes. They test each section and keep improving it to make sure the parts are moving the way it is supposed to. Open out correctly and close properly.
I bet the paper engineers spend a lot of time creating and making and testing and improving before a page is completed.
You are totally correct. Now, should we go take a look at some of this amazing process and products? Yes, I agree too. Pop-up uses pull or push force to create a series of action. A push or pull that affects the balance of a structure, large or small, must be thought about by engineers and artists during the design and creation. Opening of the pages introduce energy that is transferred from first piece to the next, to the next, and to the next that open up, creating a chain reactions. Oftentimes, the engineer has to recreate the motion of the animals to make sure it is correct when the book is open. There are two basic mechanisms used in any pop-up design. They are the V-folds and the box or stand. Now you can either create the box or stand by cutting slits, parallel slits, or adding additional support onto the paper. The best paper to use for pop-up projects are usually the cardstock, which is heavier paper. Now, construction paper will work as well. However, I'm showing the demonstration with regular paper because that's something that everybody should have at home. Now, cutting slits that is parallel, folding, and opening it from the inside. Now you can cut out other object to decorate it, stick it on one of the stand, or just draw in it. Now use another piece of paper, like a construction paper, for the backing. And there you go. Here's your card, a 3D pop-up card. Now you can use this for a page in a book that you made as well. The next one I'm going to show you is just a simple spiral. So draw and cut along the spiral, write messages along it, color it, make it colorful, and then use tapes. Now you can position it any place you want along the spiral, but you just have to test it to see. Now make sure the tape has its sticky side facing up so you can stick to the next page. Now if you don't like how it looks, you can move the tape. Once you decide on the position, remove the tape, holding it still, and stick it down to the page. Test it, make sure it opens up nicely before you remove the tape. Now it's time to decorate. You can put maybe a picture in the middle, or just put another stickers. There you go. Happy exploring and creating.